the SoundPEATS Air3 Deluxe HS. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. These are the Air3 Deluxe HS by SoundPEATS. I will go over specs, features, provide music and microphone samples, then give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you're new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside it comes with the user guide and a USB-C charging cable. The earbuds feature 5 hours of listening time, 20 hours with the case. Uses Bluetooth 5.2, SBC LDAC codec, 14.2mm dynamic drivers, touch controls and an app, USB-C for charging, and it's IPX4 water resistant. The case is small and compact and it has a glossy finish all around. And on the back you have the SoundPEATS branding. The front has a status LED indicator and the pairing button. And on the bottom you have the USB-C charge port. The lid opens and closes smoothly, and the earbuds are easy to grip and remove from the case. Taking a look at the earbuds, it has a semi-in-ear design with a short stem. It has a matte finish all around, and the outside face has a logo. The top and bottom you'll find the microphones, and you have the surface for the touch controls. Controls are straightforward, a few taps or a long press to navigate playback and calls. Here they are side by side. As mentioned, this has app integration, and once you're connected you can see the battery levels. You can toggle game mode, choose from a selection of EQ presets, or customize your own. Now for some music samples. This will give you a sense on how they sound like. It is not a full representation of the overall sounds, as there's no replacements for actually having them on. It will then be followed by a microphone sample.
Anything is possible. Yeah. Oh man, I got a lot of goals. Stack that bread and buy my nose. Anything is possible. Yeah. Trying to get a lot of dough and dirt through all the obstacles. Cause anything is possible. Hey. Oh man, I got a lot of goals. Stack that bread and buy my nose. Anything is possible. Hey. I grind to get a lot of dough and dirt through all the obstacles. Cause anything is possible.
Now for a microphone sample in a noisy setting. This is a test of the SoundPEATS Air3 Deluxe HS microphone. Testing 1 2 3, testing 1 2 3. Here are my thoughts on the earbuds. They were extremely comfortable and lightweight. You don't feel pressure in your ear canals due to the semi-in-ear design, and at times you forget you even have them on. Build and quality is decent. The case feels durable, but it can attract a lot of fingerprints because of the glossy finish. Earbuds are easy to grip with its matte finish. Touch controls responded well and were not overly sensitive. Battery life is decent at 5 hours and 20 total with the case. I like the app integration along with the EQ presets and customization. When it comes to sound, starting off with the bass, it has its presence and it comes in punchy and tight, and it doesn't overwhelm. It's plentiful, especially for the semi-in-ear design. Mids and highs come in clean and clear, and vocals and instruments stand out. I feel that it has a balanced sound, and the listening experience was very pleasant as I tested it through various music genres. The microphone also worked well during calls, and other parties had no issues hearing me. Overall, I feel there is tremendous value for these earbuds and they're budget friendly. The sounds deliver. So if you're looking for a semi-in-ear style earbuds, these are something to definitely check out. That is my review of the SoundPEATS Air3 Deluxe HS. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.